What's going on, drone enthusiasts? Today, we're looking at a foldable quadcopter that completely changes what you can expect from a portable drone. This is the Xiaomi D11, and it's bringing 8K aerial HD video and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance into a stunning, travel-friendly package. Prepare to be impressed. The 159-gram advantage and aesthetics. The first thing you'll notice about the D11 is its design. It looks like a sleek, miniature sports car with excellent body lines, finished in that striking metallic blue. And when it's folded, it shrinks down to just 14 by 8 centimeters. But the real magic lies in the weight. Tipping the scales at only 159 grams, the D11 cleverly avoids many of the common, cumbersome aviation registration requirements found in many countries. That means less paperwork and more flying. Plus, the drone features gradient flowing light, giving it a seriously cool, futuristic glow in the air. Power and flight confidence. The D11 isn't just a toy, it's built for smooth, reliable flight. It runs on a high-performance 1503 brushless motor, giving you stronger power, longer service life, and quieter operation compared to typical brushed motors. For flight stability, you get 3 layers of assurance. First, the 6-axis gyroscope ensures smooth movement. Second, the optical flow positioning uses a bottom lens to provide precise altitude maintenance and fixed-point hovering, especially useful indoors. And finally, for outdoor confidence, it's a GPS UAV. This means it knows exactly where it is, allowing for one-click return to home, a feature that saves your drone if the signal drops or the battery gets low. 8K camera system and total safety. This is where the D11 truly shines. It comes with an 8K aerial HD dual camera system. You have a primary front lens, and an additional high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom. The main camera angle can be electrically adjusted 90 via the remote, letting you switch from horizon to vertical shots instantly. Crucially, the camera system includes EIS electronic stability. This is a massive feature that helps keep your video footage smooth and clear, even if the drone is buffeted by wind. But the most important feature for beginners and pros alike is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This built-in, quad-sensor system actively monitors for obstacles in all directions and can automatically stop the drone instantly, preventing collisions and saving your investment. You get safety, stability, and stunning video all in one. Smart features and verdict. The flight time comes in at a respectable 15 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture the perfect shot within its 100-meter control range. The D11 also supports some fun smart features, like gesture photography, just strike a pose and the drone snaps a photo, and custom route drawing on the mobile app, where you can literally trace the path you want the drone to fly. The Xiaomi D11 is an all-in-one powerhouse. It combines the advanced reliability of a brushless motor and GPS with the confidence of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, all while shooting amazing 8K video. And because it's so lightweight, you can take it anywhere without the hassle. What feature do you think is the biggest game changer, the 8K camera or the no-crash obstacle avoidance? Let me know in the comments.